In this video, you'll see how to use Link by Stripe on your MemberPress site. Link is a Stripe service that lets users securely save and reuse payment information for a faster checkout process. Having Link enabled can improve conversion rates and make paying easy for buyers. First, you'll need to have the Stripe gateway added to your site in the MemberPress settings. See our knowledge base for information about how to connect Stripe if you haven't done this. Here in the Payments tab of the MemberPress settings, you'll see this option, Enable Link, under Stripe. Make sure that this is enabled. And be sure to click Update Options to save any changes that you make. Then, go to your Stripe dashboard by going to the Stripe website, clicking Sign In, and signing in. From here, go to Settings, and then click Payment Methods. And then, under Select a Platform, choose MemberPress.com. Then find Link, and then select Turn On. And that's it. Buyers can now use Link on your registration pages. To show you what this looks like, I'll go back to my WordPress dashboard, and then I'll open my sample site in a new incognito window, so I'm not logged in as my site's admin user. Now, this testing I'm about to show you is just for demonstration purposes to show you what Link looks like on the front end. See our support docs for some considerations and instructions on testing your Stripe gateway. Then I'll go to Sign Up and click to sign up for one of my memberships. I'll start filling out my registration form with some fake testing data, but I won't fill out my email initially. So here's what the form looks like. But now, when I enter an email, you can see this option for Link appear. If someone has never used Link before, they'll see this option to save your info for a secure one-click checkout. As the test user, I'll select that and enter my phone number. Then I'll click Sign Up, and you can see the registration works. This process creates an account with Link for the buyer, and they can use their phone number to make purchases on any site that accepts Link. So they won't have to enter their credit card info, expiration date, etc. And buyers can go to the Link website and delete their account at any time. Now, I'll close this incognito window and open my site back up in another one to show you what this process will look like on my site for someone who's already using Link. So I'll go back to Sign Up and select one of my memberships. And I'll sign up with some fake testing data again. But this time, I'll use an email that's affiliated with an active Link account. Once I enter my email, I can see that it registers my Link account, and it sends me a text message with a verification code. I'll enter it here, and it verifies the code and registers my payment info. Now, all I have to do is click Sign Up. And you can see the registration worked. And that's it. You've now seen how to accept Link on your MemberPress site. If you run into any snags, our support team is always here to help. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos that makes getting MemberPress up and running a breeze.